Bonjour. And then away magana duk. Anishna be duk. Okay, I gotta steady my camera here, Okay, I just came up with another sentence, I can't stop making sentences right now, The iron is hot, I gotta strike while the iron is hot. I think that's the saying in English, I don't know. Well, anyway. Okay, this is something I was told to me, giga-doonjine'idiz. I'll explain what that means after. But what my mom would say to me if I ever talked ill about somebody, like if you keep it up, okay, lngoz, giga-doonjine'idiz, giishpin geyaabi maji-dazhimadwaa, awiya. So that lngoz is the vocative saying my son. Giga-doonjine'idiz. Unjine is like our karma. This is a real Anishinaabe teaching here. This goes beyond this is karma. You'll curse yourself. And then that gaga will, future tense. Doonjine. Because that D is there like kind of as a vowel splitter. That's why that D goes there. In between ga, doonjine'idiz. That's reflexive. So that's a future tense animate transitive verb, ojine. But it's reflexive, so meaning that it's the person is the object and the subject at the same time. So you will curse yourself. You're telling Geen that. You're telling the second person that that's going to happen to them. That they're the subject and the object at the same time. Future tense. Giishpin geyaabi. If you keep doing, if you keep maji, M-A-J-I, maji. Like when you say maji-dazhimadwaa, like something bad. Dazhimadwaa. Okay, that maji-dazhimadwaa is like you're talking bad about winawa, geen. In the subjunctive, you're telling the second person, if you keep talking bad about people, gossiping bad, because dazhim means gossip actually, but when you add that preverb there, maji, to add emphasis, like if you talk bad, gossip bad, you will curse yourself. So once again, lngoz, giga-doonjine'idiz, giishpin geyaabi, maji-dazhimadwaa, awiya, anyone. You just have to say awiya, not awiya, because when you say awiya, it's understood you're talking about anyone. This is a strong cultural teaching to watch your mouth. Because what you say and what you do will come back to haunt you if you... It can haunt your family. Even the ones that are yet unborn. For all the things that you do, you always have to mind what you do. There's consequences for what you do, what you say. And it's not only you, it's your family. It's for your grandchild that's yet unborn. That's real consequences there, ojine win. Hamsa.